Hello, this is Mrs. Mack, a third grade teacher at Lafayette Upper Elementary School. Go Lions! Today we are going to be learning how and when to use a dictionary. Before we get started, think about when and where you have seen a dictionary. I have seen a dictionary on my shelf, and sometimes I see a dictionary online because sometimes I'm on the computer and need a dictionary. Why would I use a dictionary? I would use a dictionary if I'm unsure of what the word means. Sometimes, if you do not have autocorrect on your computer, you might need to check the spelling. Sometimes, in the case of multiple meaning words, you want to find the correct definition. You might want to find the word's origin. Where did this word come from? Not all words came from English language. Some of them came from Latin, some of them came from Polish, some of them came from Greek. Okay, sometimes we might want to find a similar or different words, for example, synonyms and antonyms. We might want to find grammatical information, for example, whether it's a verb, a noun, an adjective, an adverb. And sometimes we just want to know how to say the word. We call that pronunciation. How to look up a word. So when we have a dictionary, all the words are listed alphabetically. That means A comes first, followed by C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, the words at the top of each page are guide words. For example, in this example, my guide words are cat and crouch. All the words on the page will be listed alphabetically between the guide words. For example, the guide words are cat and crouch. All of the words on this page come after cat alphabetically, but before crouch. What's in the entry? Before you ask that question, what is an entry? An entry in a dictionary is where you will find the word, the pronunciation, the part of speech, and the definition. Sometimes you will find other stuff. If you hit a brand new word, that is a new entry. Our entries only have one word, multiple definitions sometimes, but as soon as you hit another bold-faced word in the dictionary, that's the end of your first entry. So what's in this entry? We have the part of speech, whether it's a verb, a noun, an adjective, an adverb. We have the definition of it. What does the word mean? And in the case of our multiple meaning words, more than one definition. We also have sometimes, whether it is a synonym, whether what its synonyms are and what its antonyms are, and sometimes we will even find its word origin. Putting it all together, the story of the Three Little Pigs by unknown. We don't know who wrote the original, the story of the Three Little Pigs. The first that went off met a man with a bundle of straw and said to him, "Please, man, give me that straw to build me a house." Which the man did, and the little pig built a house with it. Presently came along a wolf and knocked at the door and said, "Little pig, let me come in." To which the pig answered, "No, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin." I'm not sure what bundle means. Let's check the dictionary. While we're there, let's find out all we can about the word bundle. So I have opened up my dictionary, I have looked at my guide words at the top, and I have found the dictionary entry for bundle. So how do we say the word? Inside the little brackets here, we have bundle. That is the pronunciation. We have the part of speech. It is a noun. Okay, it says the definition is several objects of a quantity of material gathered or bound together. For example, a bundle of hay. It also says it can be a verb. To tie together or wrap in a pile. For example, bundle the newspapers for the trash. We also have the origin. We see that it was made in Middle English. We have some synonyms such as bunch, pile, pack, heap, and assortment. And we have antonyms such as disperse, scatter, spread, and divide. After looking in the dictionary, I know that bundle means a bunch, pile, or heap. In this story, a bunch of straw means a bunch of straw, just like what the pig is carrying in the picture below. Now I know a lot about the word bundle. Congratulations, you have learned how to use the dictionary. After watching the video, please complete the assignment on how to use a dictionary.